Hi you all and welcome to Draw Along with me. My name is Rachel and if you want to skip this intro, go ahead, no hard feelings. But if you'd like to hang out with me for just a moment, I'd really appreciate your time. I've been teaching English online for several years now, and I've never really had the confidence to put my artwork out there. But recently I began to teach digital arts online and was inspired by content creators here on YouTube to begin to create my own YouTube tutorials for you all. My own personal goal is that by 2024, I would like to be earning my living full-time as an artist by creating tutorials for others to learn art as well as by selling my own artwork. If you like what I've been doing on this channel so far, and if you'd like to be a part of the growth of this channel going forward, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. YouTube subscriptions are totally free, and it really does help the content creators when you support them in this way. If you'd like to be notified when new videos come out, hit the bell beside the subscribe button as well. If you're able to and would like to support my ability to be doing these things full-time, go ahead and head on over to Patreon and check out the tiers that I have to offer you there. All of these things on YouTube and Patreon are directly related to your support. So for those of you who have already hit subscribe, thank you so much. I really appreciate your being on this journey with me. Well, I think that's all I've got to say on all that. So if you're ready for this tutorial, let's get started. This week's tutorial was inspired by the mandalas that Isabella creates in Disney's Encanto. If you haven't already seen that movie, go check it out now, it's awesome. Let's start by changing the background color. Click on the Layers panel, which is the two squares here. Tap Background Color. Select a dark color. When you have your color selected, tap Done. Click on the brush tool and find Luminance Light Pen. Click on the wrench, Drawing Guide, Edit Drawing Guide, Symmetry, Options, Radial. Change the color of the lines so that you can see it. Tap Done. Click on the color circle and select your first color. I will be using my Isabella Mandala color palette. If you'd like to use the same color palette, please go to Patreon to download that now. Otherwise, pick your own colors and just have fun with it. This project is an exercise in creative expression. I will be creating the mandala that I want, and you should do the same. It doesn't have to be perfect. If you'd like to make any shapes that don't really fit in the radial pattern, click on the Layers panel plus symbol to add a new layer and add your new shape here. For example, I wanted to add a perfect circle, which didn't work. So I'm making it work now. To make sure it's perfectly centered, tap the arrow, snapping, make sure it's blue, and find the two orange lines. Click on the Layers panel and go back to the layer with the radial drawing guide. Alright, that's mine. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Please let me know in the comments what you thought, and I'll see you next time.
I'm Jorge, I make the sparkles. I am Rachel, I make the art. Like this? Or this way?
Oh yeah.
I am Raquel, I grow the plants.
She's 5'4", patches on her back. She's 5'4", patches on her back. 5'4", and cats along her back.
Cut!
Cut! It's a wrap!